Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We're currently reporting live here at Camp Chemist Studios with Science News. Today, I'm accompanied by Monique Shapko, our very own oceanographer, who's currently focusing on gyres. And we'll be talking about ocean gyres. So, Monique, tell us, what is an ocean gyre?
Well, an ocean gyre is commonly described as any large system of circulating ocean currents. In other words, it is a giant whirlpool that can draw various objects into it, which are most commonly trash. Do you remember those plastic cups and straws that you threw out to the ocean while you were cruising on a boat? Or just had a connecting ride to an island? Yeah, that. You can probably find them in one of those gyres if you look hard enough.
Interesting. You mean to say that there's a giant bunch of trash in the middle of the ocean?
Yes, exactly. Now with the constant swirling of the whirlpool, combined with the widespread usage of plastic and non-biodegradable trash starting in the 1940s, garbage continued to accumulate in these ocean gyres. We currently have 5 major ocean-wide gyres, such as the North Atlantic, South Atlantic, North Pacific, South Pacific, and Indian Ocean gyres. However, the biggest ocean gyres can be found in the North Pacific, which is also dubbed as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch.
I see. Now, can you tell us what effects do these ocean gyres have on us, or to the ecosystem as a whole?
Since most of the trash are plastic and doesn't break down, it just floats on the ocean's surface. Even if it goes through photodegradation, the plastic is still there. Because of this, it imposes a threat to us and the marine life. Animals can get trapped and tangled in plastic. Algae can grow because the trash is taking up the surface of the water. Animals may eat the trash, which contains harmful chemicals, and many more. This has an impact on us because we are on the top of the food chain.
Thank you, Monique, for your wonderful insight about ocean gyres. But to our relief, we have Buoyant Flat, a teenager who found a solution to this problem. The first prototype of this project was launched back in 2016 and is currently preparing for a full launch operation by May 2018. It's called the Ocean Cleanup, and here we have Harvey, live at the Pacific Ocean, to present to us the project that might just save us all from this horrible mess.
Hello, Harvey here, live at the Pacific Ocean. And I'm here to talk about the ocean cleanup, which was founded by Buoyant Flat.
Hi, Harvey. How's the weather there at the Pacific Ocean?
It's quite windy here actually, but thankfully the water is calm.
That's good to hear. Now, may you describe to us what the gyre currently look like?
As you can see around me, trash is everywhere. We actually had quite a hard time to maneuver all around this trash. But before everything else, let me explain to you how the ocean cleanup works, which is founded by Buoyant Flat. First, there will be a floater, as shown by this diagram here, with its purpose to catch and concentrate plastic. It has a U shape and is flexible enough to go along with the ocean's waves. For its purpose is also to provide buoyancy to the whole system. Solid screens will be placed below the floaters, and since most plastics stay on top of the ocean, the screen will be able to keep it in place. This will also allow marine life to pass below the screen. Next is the anchor, that is meant to help gravitate the entire system where there is a high concentration of plastic. And lastly, a support vessel will be on standby to collect and ship the collected plastic back to land, which according to SLAT's team's research, can be turned into high-quality products.
That's great to know. Do you have any data how long this process will take the system to immediately of the trash present in the water sample?
Actually, yes. Everyone is in high hopes that this project will be as effective as the calculations say, because apparently, in 5 years, 50% of the trash in the Pacific Ocean can be cleared up. And as they say, to catch plastic, we must move like plastic. That is all I have for today, and back to you at the studio.
Please excuse the technical difficulties.
And there we have it with the current state of the Ocean Cleanup Project. This is Isa Lumiba with Monique Shapko. Here at Cameo Studios, where you get the latest information about nature and science news.
Until the next report,